All right, ride rundown today. We're with Jawbreaker. He's 6'5", so we're gonna do the interview like this so I look taller. So where'd you get this?
Picked it up in Orlando.
Oh, cool. I like the color.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What'd you say up there?
I said I like the color.
Oh, the color, thanks, yeah. It turned out nice.
And yeah, it's a really cool bug. We can't do this.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
All right, ride rundown today. We're at the VW factory for their swap meet. We got VW Jawbreaker here. You might recognize him from his channel, which is
VW Jawbreaker.
Easy enough. And we got fans. Cool. So I found you on YouTube because of this paint job.
Correct.
It's pretty cool. And this is a
73.
73?
73 standard.
How did you come up with this? Did you paint that?
I did not paint it. Actually, what happened is I got the car, it was dark blue, but it had bubble rust everywhere. So I wanted to start addressing the rust, so I had to sand it down to bare metal. And that's how I found out it was originally white, then light blue, then dark blue. So to kind of pay the heritage to the whole car and the journey it's been through in its life, we just kind of sanded it down like this and kind of let it rock.
It's cool. It looks like a Jawbreaker.
It does look like a Jawbreaker.
So I like how you left this here and kind of gave it some style, like a little bit.
Gave it some style instead of just tearing up the whole thing.
All right. And I see you got the Wolfsburg edition air dam up here.
That's an original Wolfsburg West air dam for the roof rack that was just, no, it's not.
What was this?
That was just a scrap piece of aluminum, and I bent it to kind of make the front end look a little different.
It looks good. That's an original roof rack though, right?
Yeah, it is an original roof rack, patinated. I not touched it other than just put wood slats in it.
I think that's the VW lifestyle, is just to not touch it and let it rust.
Yeah, just kind of let it show its age and its heritage.
Yeah, I like it. So let's go inside.
All right.
Okay, we're inside. You can see, people probably wonder about these bugs.
Yeah.
It's, well, welcome to Florida. Love bugs.
We don't love them though.
Nobody loves them. So, this shifter.
Yes, sir.
It's a little tall.
It's a little tall, stocks down around here. This is actually a bus shifter for a bay window bus that I stuffed in there. It just bolts right in.
It looks cool. You know, I think I saw a video on that.
Yeah, you can actually go on the channel and there is a video on how to install it.
Very cool. We'll put a link to that.
We shall.
Okay, we'll do that. Right? I don't know which direction I'm going, but it's going to be one of the, anyway. So, and that cup holder, you know, me and Ryan have been talking about doing a cup holder, but we don't need to. You did it.
Well, you can show how to do it. I showed how to, there it is. I didn't show how to make it. But it's just simple, just, you know, 1/4 inch bar and whatnot and weld it together and voila.
Looks good and it works.
It works, that's the big thing.
Very cool.
I can't fabricate like you guys can, but I can make something work.
Hey, you got to start somewhere.
You do.
And we always say start with a cup holder.
There you go. That's what I did.
All right, so in back we got this little tiny flag.
Little tiny flag. Actually got it down for the shot, but yeah, it goes up. Nice thing is it just comes right off when I can take it out of the way.
That's pretty cool. That's so we can find you with all the other.
Exactly, it helps mark the spot up here. Here's the Volkswagens, guys, come hang out.
There you go. Let's check out the motor. All right, so not your typical black motor.
Not a typical black motor. Everybody does black or chrome. I wanted something a little different. The outside's definitely interesting as we saw, but I wanted something a little cleaner on the inside. Wanted to be able to pop the deck lid and go, oh, that's kind of nice.
I like it. So this is just a little 1600.
1641, it's got a nice cam in it, head work done to it, dual 40 carburetors.
So it runs pretty good.
Nice.
And you actually use bratwurst and beer, I see.
Bratwurst and beer, powered by, of course.
Yep. Very cool. And I've never seen two stingers.
Two stingers.
That's twice as many chances to hit your ankle.
Exactly. It's a double ankle banger. It all started by my son wanting a stinger on the car, so we put a stinger on the car, but it actually has a dual notches in the back for the dual pea shooters. So he said, well, if one stinger's cool, let's put 2 on there. So we fabric cobbled that up, and it's just been a hit ever since.
I like that, fabric cobbled.
Fabric cobbled.
I'm taking fabric cobbled. It's mine now. All right, cool. Finally get to meet you, and love watching your channel.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, you guys are doing some great progress, and I'm really interested in seeing what else you got.
Thank you. Well, we got a lot coming up, and you know what we need to do is get you over there. And you said you wanted a little help with some welding.
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Free welding lessons. Just get to the shop.
Man, I'm down.
All right, brother.
Appreciate you, man.
See you, man.
Take care.
Okay, so that's a great it. Hey, come here a second.
Oh boy.
Sure.
I gotta get a little closer so you can hear the mic here. To our Spanish viewers, how do you say welding?
Soldar. Ellos van a soldar un
Oh.
experimento que están haciendo y todos los resultados son fantásticos. The best. El mejor.
Hey, got your wallet. Oh man.